Hello guys, how are you? Well, how are you is not the only way we use to greet people in English. In today's video, we will give you some expressions that you can use to greet others. How are you doing? How you doing? How you doing?
How you doing?
Oh, please.
Hey, how you doing?
How is it going? How's it going? How is it going?
How's it going?
How have you been? How have you been? How have you been? What's up? What's up? What's up?
What's up, Joey?
How you doing?
How is life? How's life? How's life? How is life treating you? How's life treating you? How's life treating you? What are you up to? What are you up to? What are you up to? Here are some responses to these questions. I'm fine. I'm fine. I have been well. I've been well.
How you doing? I'm well.
How you doing?
I'm well.
I'm doing okay, you know?
I'm doing great, thanks. I'm doing great, thanks. Pretty good, thanks. Pretty good, thanks. Nothing much. Nothing much.
What's up? Nothing much.
So-so. So-so. Not really well. Not really well. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for part 2.